po natin ang ating mga numero from set number 1, which was won handily, if I may say, by De La Salle Dasmariñas.
Well, the difference basically lied on the fact na ang daming errors na commit ng San Sebastian over at set number 1. They actually dominated the set with terms of attacks. I mean, hindi naman nagkakalayo ang service ace and block. But ang errors talaga na binigay ng San Sebastian in that set was really parang regalo para sa La Salle.
Well, it's also interesting that La Salle actually led in blocks doon. That is the one advantage that they have now over San Sebastian. Mas matangkad nga sila. But now, Boli scores the first point of the second set. So ngayon, iisipin dapat na San Sebastian, oo nga, mas matangkad sila. Didaanin lang natin sa bilis, daanin natin sa pagawais. And I think that's the start that Boli wants. Labiano with the jump serve. Desaganyo. Monichanko dumaan sa kamay ni Berbano.
Good down the line hit.
So tabla tayo 1-all. Mariel Desaganyo. Reception by Labiano. Boli!
That was a good set from Crisostomo. Yun yung mga gusto ni Boli eh.
Oh, akala ni Yongko at saka ni Nunag tip na to kasi lapit na sa net.
Lapit sa net
Tingnan mo daw, tingnan mo. Yung depensa nila, pang tip na lang eh. Boing.
Sakto sa gitna ang daan ng bola eh.
Desaganyo now. And Yumi Yongko gives up the free ball. Roses. Crisostomo and Arabe was not there. Parang iba eh. Differential ang binigay. Hihingi ng quick si Arabe.
Masyadong mataas yung set. Ang pasok niya, that's right, no? Ang pasok niya is actually for quick.
Yeah. Tied at 2. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. There's Boli. Hindi na maabutan yan. Ni Bembo. So San Sebastian is now the one building the lead. They're up by 1. Again, parang masama ang gising ni Boli sa first set, ano? 3 points only.
So, medyo, baka naman diesel lang siya today. Slow warm-up.
Here's Desaganyo now. Jen Manzano,
That
good
was
read.
outside. No touch from the blockers, according to the referee. Malinis.
So, 4-2. Arabe seeing a lot of action right now because it's the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Another project. Nice serve that time, however. Desaganyo. Jen Manzano, lusot kay Roses. 4-3. Monique Chanco ngayon. The Journey Girl. Pwede naman natin tawagin the Journey Girl.
The Journey Girl.
Okay lang Journey Girl ka pero like si Jen Manzano, Journey Girl yan. Dami ng pinaglaruan team. Pero guest player siya as Boli scores.
Yeah, that's right.
Ito si Monique Chanco in her third tour of duty as a regular. Aba na college career niya, no?
Baka naman
Sabagay, freshman natin siya nakita sa
right.
FEU.
She started off early rin naman.
At bumalik, Crisostomo to Labiano. Bembo.
Off speed.
Wow. Combination now. Jolina.
Labiano's blocked by Yongko.
Galing talaga ni Yongko sa timing doon. Labiano gets it across. Yumi Yongko. Desaganyo. Iyari finds the line.
That was a good setup there from La Salle. Maganda yung play na in-execute nila eh.
Yari Yongko, of course, now has to serve. Nakalimutan niya.
Serve na pala ako.
Gusto niya manupalpal pa rin sa harapan eh.
Well, that was actually a very good play, di ba?
Yeah.
Talaga yung high nung play na yun talaga will stay.
Combination na naman. Labiano na abangan na naman. Desaganyo is a very good blocker for a setter. Sort of reminds you of Lauren Lantin of UST. Na ang galing ding mag-block for a setter.
Well, Desaganyo now with 3 points. 2 from attack and now, actually 4 points already. 2 from attack and 2 from block. It's Yari Yongko as a top scorer for La Salle with 5 points.
Oo. Here is Labiano. Naibalik na naman Desaganyo at the scene once again. Boli free ball. Manzano. Desaganyo. And Bembo. Boli keeping it alive. Berbano. Boli. Buti na lang nasa likuran pa siya ng linya nun. But it's still out.
It was still outside. Actually, I think nahirapan din siya kasi masyadong pasok yung set sa kanya eh.
Pero dapat nga may camera tayo na nakatutok dito sa linya para sa long jump, di ba? just to see if the foot was in. Roses again with the running attack.
That goes off the block. Roses now with 5 points from attack.
Tied at 6. Closer set than it was in the first.
Crisostomo
yeah.
with the serve.
Yumi. Here's the running attack from Manzano. Boli, hindi na niya susubukan yan. Desanganyo. And Bembo off of Roses. So 2 beses na napalusot ng attackers ng Lasal Dasmariñas kay Roses ang bola. Tama naman pwesto ni Sue.
Yeah. I think also because of yung angulo na pinili nitong si Bembo
Right.
She was trying to have the ball pass through the side.
Crisostomo, another runner here for Sue. Here's Bembo. Berbano across for Labiano. That was very, very risky. And Desanganyo read it. Another block point for the Lady Patriots setter. Nasa bunutan tuloy siya. Lamang ang Lasal Dasmariñas ng 2.